ria thirikari ria kuria Akenya meyumirie guthimwo kwa wingi riratungitio uregani munene muingi ukiuga ndongehota kuriha marihi maria maraigitwo ni thirikari ma kuigwo keheri-ini. Ndumiriri ya umuthi ya COVID-19 ikigarurira mutugo uria urekirite Akenya guoya wa kwiyumiria makiria aria mari matura-ini maria mamurikitwo ni undu wa kwandikithia riboti nyingi makiria.
Kenyans should therefore forthwith not be afraid. Let me repeat that. Effective today, government quarantine facilities will be occupied by those told to do so by the Ministry of Health. Will be given that facility free of charge.
Na gwa thiku ya keri kirumanirio bururi uthiete na mbere na kwandikithia namba cia kuhahura Akenya angi 47 makinyitwo ni murimu uyu o riri angi 8 marekereirio thutha wao kuhona.
Today we have a new high of 47 persons who have tested positive to the disease. Thus, Kenya now has 581 people who have tested positive.
Namba ya aria makwite ona kuri uguo nayo ni ongererekete. Thirikari ikiuga arwaru aya kwaga gwetha uteithio wa thirikari thutha wao kugia na ndariri cia COVID-19 kwahota kuongerera ugwati kuri andu aria makuhaniriirie nao.
And the risk posed by this is usually these are critically ill people. They are usually symptomatic of COVID-19. And therefore they are likely to be shedding very high levels of the COVID-19 virus, therefore making them extremely infectious.
Ukiwa mgonjwa, ukijisikia unasikia ugonjwa, tafadhali nenda hospitali, kwa sababu mgonjwa yeyote lazima alindwe na akiwa ni mama analindwa na mzee, akiwa ni mzee analindwa na mama, basi na yeye pia atapata virusi.
Akenya aria riu maroneka macokereirie na gikiro kinene mawira-ini mathiete na mbere na kurio marutire mawira mao mucii tondu o uria mundu arathiururuka kundu gutiganite noguo ari na uhotekeku munene wa kugwatwo ni murimu uyu.
It is important for us to practice this because for those people who have been saying lockdown, essentially that is what it would mean. It would mean that that every person works from home.
Macokio na mawoni maria thirikari yamukirite kuma kuri Akenya thutha wayo kuria muingi weyumirie guthimwo kwa wingi murimu wa COVID-19 nimo matumite thirikari itacokia ikinya riri ria kwehereria muingi marihi ma kuigwo keheri na riu marehoka Akenya nimekwiyumiria guthimwo kuringana na itanya riayo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.